Camera everywhere. Camera.
Today, I'm gonna show you how's my day looks like in Shanghai, China. From cooking up a meal, gaming a bit, squeezing in a quick home workout, to stepping outside for some fresh air. This is my personal downtime in the city. Hello YouTube, I'm Walter, currently living in Shanghai, China alone. This is my lunch, 2 pieces of Australian grain-fed chuck-eye roll steak. The price is $22.71 per kilogram. This is 0.465 kilograms, roughly $10.50.
So I pretty much need to cut this beef piece by piece and do a Chinese style beef soup with soybean. I just cut the beef piece by piece and put it on this bowl and let it boil. Chill.
This whole procedure called blanching.
So is there garlic powder right there? Tomato, pan, rice cooker. This is my rice, bro. Right there. Soybean, little orange. Alright, tuna can, bro. Second boiling, we have to repeat this 3 times until the floating stuff turn to white. Looks like we're ready to go. Alright, turn it off. A high pressure cooker. We're finally ready, bro. Close it.
Finally, we've reached the rice cooking part. Next, I'm going to demonstrate how to accurately measure the water needed for the rice cooker using one finger. Did you learn that?
I call it rusty rice cooker. It looks rusty, but it works perfectly. 15 minutes. This is a POV of my refrigerator. Nothing much. She started exciting. Smells so good. 30 minutes down. Close it. Oil.
Today's lunch includes steamed rice, beef, and soybean soup, and overcooked green vegetables. Ignore that part.
The most important question is, Walter, how you get access YouTube, Instagram, X, Facebook, WhatsApp? How you get those stuff access in China? Well, let's just say I know a guy who knows a guy who knows another guy. Well, I mean, just use VPN. Everybody use it. Click. You're free to go. Simple as that. We're free to go. Well, time to clean this mess. Look at it now. Super clean.
I use this 90s kitchen almost daily, so it looks a street side food stall kitchen.
Well,
today the weather is clear and cloudless, so let's go play some video games.
we play still. Bring what? Can someone do it? Just do me or send me a request, bro. Or just want to trade me? We got Jump Doe, we got DJ Panda, we got Mushroom, we got Dragon, we got Bike, we got Money Puggy. Send me do, bro. Yo, 6, 7.
After playing games, I usually work out, push-ups, pull-ups mainly. home body weight training, and I also do some single leg squats and some high knees and primarily strength training, calisthenics, very simple. I have over 9 years of training experience, but I've never figured out why my arm size doesn't grow. Maybe it's because I'm naturally a leaner person. Back the thumbnail, the whole rent cost near $550. For last month, $10 for gas, $10 for electric, $10 for water, $20 for internet. Groceries gonna cost $400, so total cost $1,000 per month. This is the neighborhood's garbage transfer station. Even with this close proximity to trash bins, I still don't smell a strong odor. Thanks to the community workers here, they clear the trash every morning at dawn. This is their daily job, so there are no stinky insects, rats, or cockroaches. I like walking along this quiet little path. I don't know why. Shower. Peace out. Morning, Jeff. For breakfast, I'm gonna let this pan to burn to little bit smoke. Right now, I'm gonna put some oil into it and fry 2 eggs and hit a bread with the breakfast. So my egg and put bread onto it. Let it cook. All right, breakfast ready. Cook perfectly. Oh, there's a little bit.
Wait,
Just beautiful.
wait. I thought you quit Steal a Brain Rot, bro.
Well,
Let me eat.
Well, Jack, should we try to get Jackson to quit Steal a Brain Rot today?
Tastes good. Tastes natural.
only 700.
I will use an app Pinshang Shenghua to buy the ingredients I need today, including bread, sponge gourd, chicken wings, and chicken legs. It offers delivery services, usually arriving in 30 minutes to an hour, which is very convenient. This bread is $1.02. This sponge gourd 600 grams is $1.40. These chicken wings were $3.20. These chicken legs were $2.37.
2,000 years later.
I think this is the self-service scan area in the neighborhood for charging electric scooters. Chad, we're not in a park. We're in a residential community. It's not even a park. We got runway. Says 200-meter runway for the citizen. Civil defense works. Oh, there's a couple benches. You could just sit there and and enjoying your day. Wonderful.
Just beautiful. Every union has some bicycle park area like this with a rooftop. There's a public area hanging closest. We even got bamboo here. We got public exercising area right there. Chinese uncle love here. Let me try it on this. Here we got self-services, package receiving and sending for the delivery. We got a water filtration machine here, right there. It really works? I doubt it. There's a certification report. Looks legit. But we got camera everywhere.
Don't get me wrong, I think
Beyond
these
every
cameras
corner
are for public
see.
safety. You don't need to worry about being
Here,
mugged,
let me
stabbed,
see,
or
let me
stealing,
see.
even if you're walking alone
right
at
there.
night.
Camera? Gotcha. Yo. Another camera? Gotcha. I don't know what it is, but looks like a monitor, a computer, whatever. Also, there's camera, of course. Yo. Yo, 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 yo. More camera. Trash can here. Aunties and uncle recycle the papers. Of course, camera. Even the recycle side got